Tonight, a health expert weighing in on Biden's COVID plan.
Channel 5's Tony Velasquez Jr. with why some of that strategy may not work.
President Joe Biden announced his ambitious COVID vaccine plan, which includes deploying FEMA and the National Guard to set up vaccine clinics across the U.S. in an effort to get shots in the arms of millions of Americans.
Our limitation is not our staff, it's not our ability to give them.
And while the call for a national plan has been mostly well received, to what degree they're involved is still up for debate.
Having the federal government, having Washington, D.C. come into a local area and say this is how we're going to do it doesn't really make sense. Local officials know what capacities they have. So
it's an issue the dean of UTRGV's School of Medicine addressed today.
We have the capacity to give up to 2,000 shots a day. The issue is getting the doses in.
If the federal government's going to come in and start administering vaccines themselves and competing with, the local organizations for the shot, I don't think that's going to make things more efficient.
So more vaccines, not more people or new systems, is what Dr. Frank Mongillo believes would be the kind of help we need.
You've got infrastructure already set up to deliver the vaccine. So you just need to get the vaccine to those organizations.
As those doses become more freely available, we will get more of those doses. We're going to be able to give them more quickly. Those are all very, very important. So we need to continue to work in that way.
We're getting the vaccine out. Should we be getting more out? Absolutely. But that should be able to get ramped up. And I don't think changing the system and how we deliver it is going to help.
And Biden's plan to get 100 million COVID vaccinations within his first 100 days?
100 million doses is really only 50 million people vaccinated because these require 2 shots. So you're still only looking at about 15% of the population.
So is that achievable?
Yeah, I hope it's achievable. Hopefully we can do better than that.
In McAllen, Tony Velasquez Jr., Channel 5 News.